In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the canvas size in Canva or resize your project, for example, a thumbnail or any design. First, let's look at how to set a size before you start designing. Click on Create a Design, and you will see different preset options like 16 to 9, 4 to 5, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, and so on. If you need a completely custom size, click Custom Size. Here you can type your width and height. For example, I will enter 1000 for width and 2000 for height. Then click Create New Design. That will open a blank canvas with your exact custom dimensions. Now let's say you already created a design and you want to resize it. In the top left corner, you will see the Resize button. This feature is available in Canva Pro. If you have Canva Pro, you can simply choose any format, for example, Facebook post, Instagram story, or any other size, and Canva will automatically resize your design to fit that format. If you do not have Canva Pro, you can still resize your design manually. Here's how to do it. First, create a new blank canvas in the size you want. Then go back to your original project, select everything, right-click, and click Copy. Now return to your new canvas and paste it. Your design elements will appear, but sometimes the background does not come across. So just click on the background in your original design, copy it, and paste it into your new canvas as well. Now the design fills the new size and you can adjust the layout, move the text, scale images, and make sure everything looks right in the new ratio. So that is how you resize a project in Canva with and without Canva Pro. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.